wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best automotive seam sealers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, Transtar 4167 is a urethane caulking compound of a reasonably fair quality. Even though it can't be sanded down, its composition does make it highly pliable and easy to smooth over manually with a spatula before it dries. It offers a good adhesive capability and a lower than average cost. However, it is somewhat stringy upon application. At number 7, this reasonably priced tube of SEM 29392 will dry hard and fast, which is key for any effective product in this category. You will need something to help spread it, but this is an excellent choice if you have a tool fit for that purpose. It flows easily out of the tube and won't shrink or crack, but it doesn't come with an applicator tip. Coming in at number 6 on our list, a quart of Evercoat 365 is a good option for restorers who are aiming to replicate the original condition of their classic cars. It's also great for the narrow overlaps most often present at the mating point of body panels. It's highly versatile and brushes on very smoothly. However, note that it can't be used around windshields. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for automotive seam sealers, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 5, Permatex 81173 is among the most versatile options because, along with working on body panel joints, it's also effective as a gasket. Its 450-degree Fahrenheit rating means that it's safe to use inside an engine compartment. It includes a long-reach applicator and won't damage sensors. It insulates exposed wires too. Halfway up our list at number 4, JB Weld 31919 is made of a silicone rubber that cures to a medium hardness and suffers very little shrinkage, so the mated surfaces stay in place once attached. It comes with a long nozzle that can be used on areas that are difficult to reach. It forms a waterproof barrier and can bond glass to metal. It's great for uneven surfaces. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, 3M Dynatron 550 will suffice for most exterior restoration needs. Its fast skinning capability is activated within minutes of application, allowing you to move on to painting your surface without having to wait a very long time. It adheres to bare metal and paint and is formulated to resist sagging. It can be sanded after drying. At number 2, if you're looking to modify any of the sheet metal on your car, try Eastwood 51655, which can be used with any standard caulking gun. It's perfect if you need to swap out some wheel wells or floor pans and want to keep the elements at bay. It's great for sealing tail lights and comes with a nozzle. It won't harden or crack. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a versatile option from arguably the biggest name in this market. 3M flexiclear is equally suitable for use on interior and exterior joints. It's nearly transparent once it dries, so it doesn't need to be painted over if there's a little bit of spillover. It remains flexible after curing and adheres to a variety of surfaces, plus it doesn't turn yellow in the sun. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for automotive seam sealers, or simply click beneath this video.